Hello everyone. This is the practical session where we are going to look at three methods in the Stream API, which is nothing but allMatch, anyMatch, noneMatch. Okay, guys. So basically, we are going to see these three important methods. Basically, these three are related to comparing fetching the data based on some predicate functions. So basically, allMatch actually accepts a predicate p, which actually returns true only if all the elements in the stream is matching with this predicate. anyMatch means it is going to return true only if any of the elements in this stream is matching with this predicate. None-match means returns true whether like none of the elements of the stream is matching the provided predicate. So we know predicate is nothing but a conditional based statements like which we are going to use it in the predicate lambda functions, and I'm going to demonstrate how it all these three function works. So assume that I have some array. Basically, I have an array and I want to convert this into list, right? So how I can do this is arrays array dot as list of hold on. I want to use arrays dot as list of, right? So I have, let's say, elements like 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 25. Okay, guys, and this is just an array of elements, and this one I want to convert into a list, right? That is the reason I was using this method, right? Arrays dot as list, and this is nothing but list, right? So list of integers, right? So that is generic integer, let's say L is equal to, right? So this is basically I'm having an array and I'm converting into list, right? So I'm going to change it to list of integers, right? So now I want to convert this list into a stream. How we can do this? Okay, dot stream of, then I want to use allMatch of predicate. So predicate is nothing but like you are applying some functional or conditional logic over here, right? For each element, right? So it's kind of like a you are trying to apply some filter over here. So what I can do here is I'm going to check if I pass the value n, whether n modulo division 2 equal to 0 or not, which means whether the elements in the stream is an even number or not, then that's all. So if I say is actually giving boolean result b1, right, and I'm going to check what is the sysout of this one, b1. Let me go and run this program. Okay, it is returning false. So the reason is that allMatch actually do apply this predicate function to each and every elements in this stream, and it is going to return true if and only if all the elements in the stream is matching this predicate function, guys, right? So it is going to apply this logic. N means like n modulo division 2 equal to 0. It is going to check, okay, 10 modulo division 2 equal to 0. Okay, true. 20 modulo division 2 equal to 0. Yes, true. Then 30, then 25. When it goes to 25 modulo division 2 equal to 0, no, it's false. So if and only if all the elements in the stream is having true value, only then it is going to return true, right? Only if all matches. So what is the other way of doing it, right? Other method is called anyMatch. So let me run this program for anyMatch. There is a method called anyMatch. Basically, I can store it as b2, and I'm going to print this b2. Let me go and run this program. This is returning true. The reason is that anyMatch means at least one object or at least one element in this stream, at least one element in the stream is matching this predicate function, then it is going to return true, right? And what is the other one? There is a way of doing by noneMatch, right? To check none of the elements in this list is matching, right? So I can say it as b3 and this also b3, right? Now let me go and execute it. So this is false, right? Because like these elements are matching as true and this is false, right? So only if and only if all the elements are matching, only then it is going to turn true. Only if any of the method is only any of the elements in the stream is matching this predicate function, it is going to turn true. And none of the elements in the stream is matching this predicate, only then it is going to turn true. So this is very simple example to understand. And let me tell you one more thing. So where we will be using this in the real-time programming, right? So whenever you have something like, you are receiving some stream of elements, or you have some collection of objects and you want to convert it to stream, and you want to check some condition over there for each and every element, and you want to pause it before you check it, right? So in that condition, like, you have to use this method. Let's say allMatch means like you are applying some function, whether that all the elements in the stream is matching that function or not. If it matches, then it means like you are ready to go and process further. So then you can check this boolean value. If it is true, then you can proceed further. Otherwise, like, you can throw some exception or something like that, right? It's all about like how the requirements is and how you're implementing in the real time. But we should make sure that we should understand that, like, how we can use allMatch, anyMatch, noneMatch with respect to stream. I hope you guys have understood this concept. Please post your comments if you have any questions. Thank you, guys.